Hello students, in this short video we're going to learn how to log into a program that we're going to be using throughout the year. This will help you learn Mishnah. You need to log on to the following address, www.gemaraberura.com. Put that in your browser and when you get there we'll continue. Okay, that address should get you to the following web page. This is the program. It's a really wonderful and very useful program that we're going to use, and it's going to help you a lot. Once you get here, you log in where it says login for US schools. Go ahead and click. That brings you to this screen, and now you log in on the left side, not over here, but here on the left side. Click there. And you're going to log in with your eHillel Gmail school. Okay, you're going to use your email for Hillel, your name, as you normally log in for school apps. So do that. Okay, that brings you to this page. You should notice that your name appears on the top left. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and sign out, and we'll continue in the next video. Good job.